Yeah, safety precautions. We actually look at what you should do to maintain safety in electrical installation. The next thing we want to look at is electrical shock. In the event of a shock, what do you need to do? We're going to discuss that. Next, we'll talk about the prevention and treatment. When you've already been electrocuted, how could it be treated? Also look deeply into that. And finally, we're looking at fire extinguishers. How do we use fire extinguisher to quench fire when there is fire hazard in a house? It is very important for anybody who works with electricity to know that even at a very low voltage, electricity can pose danger to people, to livestock, and to property if not controlled. Always inform people around the building that work is in progress to avoid danger. Always contact the site manager or supervisor or the owner's premises. The reason is that in the course of carrying out electrical installation, someone else will not engage the fuse, thereby causing havoc to the person working on the line. Standard and approved materials and equipment must be used. Correct size of cable type must be also used. Overcurrent protection should be provided for every circuit in installation. In a situation whereby a metal work has a chance to be live due to fault, it should be earthed, and the circuit involved should be protected by overcurrent device and a residual fault device. Do not place a fuse or circuit breaker unless it is link switch or circuit breaker. Before adding or altering an installation, ensure that work will not impair or distort any part of the existing installations. Always work with insulated tools to prevent short circuit accident in case you will drop the tool. On completion of installations or alterations, please make sure that all work must be inspected and tested. When it is necessary to handle equipment that is plugged in, be sure hands are dry, and when possible, wear non-conductive gloves, protective clothes or shoes with insulated soles. Work with only one hand if it is safe to do so. Keep the other hand by the side or in your pocket. Always from all conductive materials. This precaution reduces the likelihood of accident that result in current passing through the chest cavity. Minimize the use of electrical equipment in cold rooms or condensed areas. If equipment must be used in such areas, mount the equipment on a wall or on a vertical panel. Do not store high flammable liquid near electrical equipment. Disconnect the power source before servicing or repairing electrical equipment. Treat all electrical devices as if they are alive or energized. You never can tell. Avoid contact with energized electrical circuit. Remember that if something bad occurs, you probably won't have a second chance. Use only tools and equipment with non-conductive handles when working on electrical devices. Never use metallic pencil or rulers, or wear rings or metal watch bands when working with electrical equipment.